Hi, this is Felix from IW-TEX. In this video I'll show you how to add Velcro to the outside of your Platebag laser cut and what you should bear in mind. You can find all the products used in this video in the description. Have fun sewing it yourself. First, I prepare the closure of the Platebag. I adapt the 50mm hook strip to the shape of the laser cut. The Platebag will later be suitable for SAPI medium and NATO standard plates. With a modification, however, it can also be used for SAPI large plates. The closure of the Platebag offers enough play to adapt to different thicknesses of plates. To make sewing easier, I fold the laser cut smaller. Use this option on your sewing machine to make it as easy as possible for you. To help aligning the Velcro strips, I draw a chalk line. I try to avoid using fastening aids such as double-sided adhesive tape. You can use as much Velcro in the admin area as you like. I always try to find a good compromise between weight, sewing work and Velcro surface. If you want to mount a pocket in the admin area later, you can simply leave it out because it will be covered anyways. To be able to work with front plates and placards later, I also sew on Velcro tape here. I align the Velcro strips here by eye. With a little practice, this is enough to sew accurately. If you have difficulties with this variant, you can also use sewing clips to help. Congratulations, you have prepared the Lasercut for the outside of the plate bag. The matching video for the inside of the plate bag will be released soon. Until then, I look forward to your comments, questions and thumbs up. To make sure you don't miss any videos about sewing your own tactical equipment, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.